Real estate agent? Do you want to sell properties like a super agent? Well, let's look at the old way of selling properties. First, you have to put up with curious clients, snooping all around. Imagine all that time just wasted. Then, clients want to have the salon measurements, to have the floor plans, and obviously, to have nice photos, requesting us to be architects and photographers, which, let's face it, we are not. So finally, let me tell you, the super agent way to sell properties. Floorfy allows you to turn your property into a virtual world that's within reach of your clients. You'll have everything you need at the click of a button, like the automatic generation of 3D tours and automatic floor plans of your properties. Talk to your clients and invite their families into a shared real estate experience through the video call. Switch between your properties, share their locations through Google Maps, and show the neighborhood with Street View. Take measurements and let your customers know if their furniture will fit in the living room. Watch as every room comes to life thanks to our home staging. And you? Why don't you become a super real estate professional?